The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Baidu with the ticker symbol BIDU. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I'm slowly moving towards more Chinese stocks for my YouTube so I can dominate that niche of just doing technical analysis for Chinese stocks. So right now it's going to be like 90% Chinese stocks. I'm going to be doing HSI on Sunday, NEO on Monday. I think I'm going to get rid of I'm going to get rid of Meta on Tuesdays and fill it in with Baidu. On Thursday I'm going to do Tencent. On Friday I'm going to do Baba. So I still have a couple more days I can do other Chinese stocks, but I think right now I'm going to focus more on Chinese stocks. I know I'm going to lose maybe some subscribers here, but I know also I'm going to gain some subscribers who would like that content more. So that's what I'm going to be moving towards now. Another thing is that I did release on May 1st, which was yesterday, my fractal mini course for members. It's almost a 45-minute video on how the market is a fractal. It goes over what is a fractal, how the market is a fractal, reasons and examples on why the market is a fractal. And then the last part is looking at the daily chart while also trying to find the micro and macro pattern, just looking strictly at that daily chart. So 45-minute lesson. It's included for members. I'm going to go ahead and throw up a testimonial by one of the members who also enjoyed that course. So if you guys are interested in that, joining the membership is risk-free. You only have to do it monthly. I don't have a yearly option. Just because, I don't know how long I'm going to be doing this for. So, if you don't like it after a month, you could cancel it. So it's definitely risk-free and it's low cost. So go ahead and check that out. So let's take a look at the daily chart for Baidu. Very similar to Baba on what's going on with the price action. Basically, we're finding heavy resistance at the 155 level. Once Baidu probably breaks this in the future, it's probably going to take off. But as right now, it's finding heavy resistance at that level. It just cannot break through it and continue higher. It just gets rejected every time. And it looks like there's some strong support at this 105 level. So basically, it's been a range bound pattern since March of last year, even before that. But this is the range that we're going to be looking at. So it looks like prices were previously inside of this uptrend. After a uptrend break, we normally get 2 attempts at a new high. This was the previous high of the channel. This was the first attempt to exceed that high. Prices sold off, and this was the second attempt to exceed that high, and then prices failed to do that. And ever since then, prices have been trending down inside of this micro channel. Just recently, we saw a break of this slim downtrend channel, so we could get a retracement up back at this breakout point because we are a little overextended from the EMA. So maybe 2 legs up would lead to probably another leg down to the bottom side of the range. So since we hit the top of the range, just like we did over here, prices should be working its way to the bottom. So that's what I'll be looking for. Even if you do see a short-term retracement up, the actual move that you want to be part of is towards the downside, because that's more likely. Let's just say we continue down from here, then obviously it even set up, and let's just say we go up and we break this 130 level and we don't find resistance, then obviously we have to look for something else. But this is what it's setting up to do, basically a pullback towards this breakout level at the 130 level, and then probably a drop down to the 105 level because that's acting as a strong support. So right now Baidu looks bearish. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart for Baidu, and overall is pretty much a range bound pattern pretty much since 2011. So it's not really a trending stock, it's a range bound stock. So we have heavy resistance at the 271 level, very strong support right around this $88, $89 level. So let's just say $90 we'll round it to. And you can see just last year October, prices went lower than 2020, so that was an extremely low amount. Prices shot up. I believe this was the channel that was previously in play. You can see there was this downtrend channel, and then prices broke outside of it, made a new low, and then that's when the big move happened. So this tells me that this channel, this downtrend channel is pretty much complete. That doesn't mean we won't start a new one, but as right now it looks like it's complete, and that's what led to that big rush up. But prices are still kind of going sideways, waiting for some type of catalyst to occur. Very similar to what happened in the past where I'm gonna show you guys right now. This was a previous downtrend channel. I'll go and keep it the same color so it's easier to see. So you can see that we had 2 downtrend channels on the chart, and prices broke outside of both of them, right over here, right over here. Prices dumped, went past the previous low. This one also passed the previous low, this double bottom, got rejected from the 89 level. This time last year was a little bit lower, but still we saw that massive rally up, and in the past that led to a new bull market. So this could be, leading to a new bull market. The only difference is that we're still finding resistance at the 160 level and we're not above the EMA. But if prices stop at this level right here, at this low 100, then we could be looking for another leg up, because the market likes to do 2 legs, or the market moves in 2s. So if we saw a huge move up, there's a good chance we can get that once again in the future. So I'm expecting maybe this $80 $107 level to hold. That's expectations. If let's just say we just continue breaking down, then obviously we're going to another support level, which is probably the 90 level. But as right now, this could be a repeat pattern of pretty much 2018 to about 2020, what led to a massive bull market. So maybe we get that again over here, but we'll have to wait and see. I mean, it's not going to be exactly the same, but it is looking similar, and it could play out just like in the past. But as right now, I'm bearish in the short term. I think, even if we see a pullback, that should still lead to lower prices. I think prices want to be targeting the low 100s for Baidu, and then let's see if that will hold as support. So that's all I have for Baidu this week Tuesday, and I'll see you guys next week Tuesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.